What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, come to the Discord. That is where I will be looking for your request. Link is right here and in the description below. Today we are going to learn how to play Storms Never Last by Josh Tatofi. So grab your ukuleles, grab your books, and let's go learn how to play. The first chord we're going to play is D flat. We're going to cover the bottom two strings here on the 4th fret, 3rd string 5th fret, top string 6th fret. We're going to play G flat, barring this 1st fret here. And then we're going to cover the top string on the 3rd fret and then the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Alright, and then we're also going to play A flat, which is really easy. We're just going to slide this up to the 3rd fret. Boom. That's it. That's our chord. Alright, homies, so let's go over the structure of this song. We're going to start with an intro, which is an interesting type of intro. Show you guys how to do that. And then we're going to have the chorus, verse 1, chorus again. Then there's a little bit of an instrumental. And then we're going to double up on the chorus, and then we have an outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. That's it. That's our chords. So, I'm just going to teach you guys how to play the intro because it's pretty interesting. It's just sliding from C to D flat. So, you know how we make D flat like this, right? Covering the bottom two on the 4th fret. All we're going to do is slide from 3rd to 4. He does that 4 times. And then goes into the song, okay? So let's play along so you guys can hear it. You guys ready? Shit. Okay, as soon as I press play, it's gonna start, and I'm not gonna get the chance to get my freaking fingers on. How am I gonna do this? Ready? Oh, tried it. This is the intro. Okay, chorus. You found me. Storms never last. Instrumental. just never lasts. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. The link for the merch is in the description below, as well as a Discord. That is where you can make your tutorial requests. And I will see you guys next week. Kaden.